Welcome to the A to Z of Something I love about Australia is that every Australian home is got a barbecue that works. But what about the vegetarians? I'm going to cook for you my delicious cauliflower steaks with the sticky soy dressing. You're gonna love it. So big cauliflower, just make sure you cut really thick slice. Something like this. There you go. There's one in there. There's another one in there. Sometimes when you go to the supermarkets, you find these amazing colorful cauliflowers. Sometimes the orange, sometimes the purple. They got all the colors of the rainbow. So if you see one, please get your hands on it. Oh, look at this. Get all the steaks onto the platter. And now we just chuck all the ingredients in there. The first ingredient is a sticky soy. This is like caramel. This is brilliant. It's got a lot of really natural sugars. So we're gonna drizzle a lot of this stuff over the cauliflower. Look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now with this recipe, I'm gonna keep it really nice and Asian. We have cashews, we got coriander, we got chili, sesame oil, the sesame seeds, all that beautiful flavor in the lovely cauliflower. So chili, next a little bit of lime juice, fantastic. And now we're gonna get into the palm sugar. Palm sugar is kind of hard, so you need to use a microplane. These things are great. So it's quite condensed. As soon as I hit the cauliflower, it's gonna disappear. But it's just enough to caramelize beautifully the vegetable. And now we're going nuts with the sesame oil. It's just much more intense than olive oil. Something you use in very small quantities. Whoa, stop it. This is something I could eat that right now, just like that. And the sesame seeds. With this, just sprinkle. Look at that. So now this look is stunning, is ready for grilling. Oh! And now because all the marinade pretty much runs through the plate, what we want to do is keep spooning all that delicious soy so we don't waste any of that stickiness. We're going to cook them 5 minutes in each side. They're really, really nice and thick. So you want them to be crunchy outside and still have a little bit of body inside. With vegetables, we don't waste any of the marinade. So we can put it exactly in the same spot where they were marinating before. And now they're warm, they're going to take up all that so we don't waste any. There you go. They just look seriously stunning. And to garnish it, we're gonna keep the lovely Asian flavors through. So I got a pesto I've done with some cashews and some coriander, working in the food processor, really simple. And this is just gonna look amazing. Just drizzle some on top of it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And for texture, we can use some beautiful, beautiful, refreshing radishes. Cashews, a little bit more of the soy. My fantastic steaks of cauliflower with the sticky soy. And for amazing recipes like this and plenty more, check the A to Z of in our Stockland website. Place to be.